Lesson 17 Telling people what you're doing now. Japanese theme is 日本を旅行しています. It means I've been traveling around Japan. Okay, first of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
おそば3つお願いします。
は
ーい。日本へは観光ですか？
私は写真家で日本のことを海外に紹介しています。それで日本を旅行しています。
それは素晴らしいね。
お待たせしました。
Okay, then next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
おそば3つお願いします。
は
ーい。日本へは観光ですか？
私は写真家で日本のことを海外に紹介しています。それで日本を旅行しています。
それは素晴らしいね。
お待たせしました。
Okay, so let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Please repeat after me. The first word is そば. The next one, 3つ. The next one, お願いする. Okay, so I make the example sentence. Okay, here, please repeat after me. そば3つお願いします. Good, it means 3 soba please. そば3つお願いします. When you order the menu at a time, you can say like that. Okay, please repeat after me. そば1つお願いします. Good. And next one. そば2つお願いします. Good. Like that. So you can count the number like that. 1つ、2つ、3つ. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Please repeat after me. はい。日本。観光。Here, please repeat after me. 日本は観光ですか? Good. It means like, did you come to Japan for sightseeing? 日本は観光ですか? Original sentence is like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 日本へは観光で来たんですか? Good. It means like, did you come to Japan for sightseeing? So, 日本は観光ですか is the abbreviation of this original sentence. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 私写真家こと海外紹介する. Mia said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 私は写真家で日本のことを海外に紹介しています。Good. It means, well, I'm a photographer and I introduce Japan to the world. doesn't have any specific meaning. It's like a, well, let's see, like that. 私は写真家で I'm a photographer. 日本のことを海外に紹介しています。I introduce Japan to the world. So, 海外 means, abroad. And 紹介する means introduce. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. それで旅行する。Yeah, continue to say like that. Here, please repeat after me. それで日本を旅行しています。Good. So, I'm traveling around Japan. それで is like a so or like that's why I'm traveling around Japan. 日本を旅行しています。Okay, next one. それ素晴らしい。And after that, the guy said like that. Please repeat after me. それは素晴らしいね。Good. It means that's great. それは素晴らしいね。And last one. お待たせしました。Good. Okay, so お待たせしました means here you go. So 待つ means wait. So お待たせしました it means literally I let you wait. But it's a specific phrase used in the restaurant. So お待たせしました means like here you go. Here you are. Like that. When you come to a Japanese restaurant, yeah, you can, listen this phrase. Okay, so that's the new vocabularies. Let's move on to the next section. In this section, we will read whole sentence together. You can improve your Japanese pronunciation and you can understand how to read the sentence. Anyway, let's get this started. おそば3つお願いします。はーい。日本へは観光ですか？私は写真家で日本のことを海外に紹介しています。それで日本を旅行しています。それは素晴らしいね。お待たせしました。Good. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. In the key phrase section, I will introduce Japanese grammar. Today's key phrase is about telling people what you are doing now. Example sentences 日本を旅行しています。It means I've been traveling around Japan. To express something what you are doing now, use the verb te form plus います。旅行しています is the te form of 旅行する or to travel, which is 旅行して followed by います。So, grammar is very simple, just a te form plus います。Okay, so let's make the example sentence. By the way, you can ask like that. Please repeat after me. 今何してるの？ Good. It means like, what are you doing now? 今何してるの？ So when you call to your friends at the time, you can say like that. Please repeat after me. もしもし、今何してるの？ Good. It means, hello, what are you doing? So もしもし is the specific greeting used in the telephone. もしもし、今何してるの？ And you can answer like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 今は勉強をしています。Good. It means I'm studying now. 今は勉強しています。 That's the polite expression. Or you can say like that to your friends or the people who is close to you. Please repeat after me. 今は勉強をしてるよ。Good. It also means I'm studying now. Okay, so let's check another example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. 今はご飯を食べています。Good. It means like I'm having dinner now. 今はご飯を食べています。Okay, so next one. Here, please repeat after me. 今は散歩をしています。Good. It means I'm taking a walk now. And let's make one more example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. 今は休憩をしています。Good. It means I'm taking a break now. Anyway, the grammar is just a 手 form plus います like 勉強をしています。ご飯を食べています。散歩をしています。休憩をしています。Like that. You can express what you are doing now. Okay, so let's check the next section. In this section, let's read the short dialogue, which include a key phrase we studied. Please repeat after me. 旅行ですか？はい、あちこち旅行しています。Good. The guy asked like, 旅行ですか？ Are you on a trip? And this foreigner answered like, はい、あちこち旅行しています。It means, yes, I've been traveling here and there. あちこち means here and there. And 旅行しています。手 form is 旅行して plus います。So 旅行しています means I'm traveling or like I've been traveling. Okay, so let's check the try it out section. In this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Let's check number 1. I'm studying Japanese. Like study Japanese is 日本語を勉強する. And the form of study is 勉強して. And grammar is 手 form plus います. So answer is here. Please repeat after me. 日本語を勉強しています. Good. I'm studying Japanese language. 日本語を勉強しています. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I'm working. Okay, I'm working. So work is 仕事をする and 手 form is 仕事をして. Okay, so answer is here. Please repeat after me. 仕事をしています. Good. 仕事をしています. I'm working. And next one. I'm teaching English. I'm teaching English. Like the 手 form of teach English is 英語を教えて. So answer is here. Please repeat after me. 英語を教えています. Good. I'm teaching English. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, the grammar is just a 手 form of a verb plus います. You can express what you are doing. Okay then, let's move on to the next step up section. Okay, so I will introduce the useful phrase or knowledge. Okay, today's step up section is about the numbers used when ordering. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so let's count from 1 to 5. Please repeat after me. 1つ、2つ、3つ、4つ、5つ. Good. So let's make example sentence. Okay, so 3 soba please. Okay, please repeat after me. おそば3つお願いします. Good. The next one. 5 soba please. Okay, please repeat after me. お蕎麦5つお願いします。Okay, great. Okay, so that's the step-up section, and we finished most of the activities. So lastly, let's review today's lesson. In the skit section, please focus on understanding whole story in Japanese. And besides, let's check the triptych and the kanji section as well. Okay, let's begin.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
おそば3つお願いします。
はい。
日本へは観光ですか？
私は写真家で日本のことを海外に紹介しています。それで日本を旅行しています。
それは素晴らしいね。
お待たせしました。
Trying local specialties is one of the best things about traveling.
I agree, but I often end up eating too much.
In today's lesson, we learn how to say what you've been doing lately. Mia said, 日本を旅行しています. The point is changing ます as in 旅行します to ています。旅行しています。
あなたは日本で何をしていますか？
蕎麦屋を取材しています。
ここには外国人の店員さんがいますよ。
あれ？あんた？日本で何をしているの？
蕎麦作りを勉強しています。君もやる？
はい。
I love soba, it's delicious. 勉強しています in this context is a phrase that means I've been studying. By changing ます as in 勉強します to ています勉強しています you can explain what you're involved in doing these days.
That's right.
Let's work on the pronunciation. 日本を旅行しています。日本を旅行しています。
Trick tip. Soba noodles hold a prominent position in Japan's culinary culture. Making noise is expected. Slurping is thought to bring out the flavor of soba and the sauce by bringing in a lot of air. Try it yourself when you come to Japan. Today's kanji. Soba, meaning buckwheat noodles.
If you can read it, you must be a kanji expert. Come back for more easy Japanese. またね!
Okay, that's it. That's lesson 17, telling people what you're doing now. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson, and thank you for having my class. See you next time.